Hi, I am Ramila Cunha. Walk with me as I work on my painting. Maybe this is also my way of introducing myself without really speaking too loudly. People often see me as a social butterfly, but what they don't see is how hard it is for me to actually connect. In a world that never feels certain, I am someone still learning my own emotions. Or maybe I already know them, but I'm just afraid they won't be accepted. I don't really express what I feel, I just let it stay inside me quietly. So I stay in my own space, I spend time with myself, in silence that somehow feels safe. I watch leaves fall from trees, like they're letting go of something gently. I listen to waves breaking on the shore, like they understand things I cannot explain. And I look at the moon in painting, quite constant, like it's there to listen when no one else does. And in those moments, I am enough.